Neera Radia, the owner and promoter of Vaishnavi Group, which has a mandate from the Tata Group and Mukesh Ambani-led RIL, has announced her exit from the business of communication consultancy. And she has said in a statement that to give precedence to her personal priorities of family and health, she has decided against renewing any client mandates and to exit the business of communications consultancy. She says that it is a painful decision taken after much consideration and consultations. And Neera, remember, had been in news related to the 2G controversy in the recent past. She was in the media glare last year when leaked tapes of her conversations appeared in the media. Although there was no charge against her, she has been named by a witness by the CBI in its first charge sheet in the case. And Madhav now joins us live for more on this. Madhav, though Neera Radia has cited personal reasons in a statement behind bowing out of the consultancy business, but could this or something else have forced her hand?
Well, certainly, of course, although the official statement that's coming out from Neera Radia's side, it's personal reasons of health and family that has actually spurred her to take this very difficult decision in consultation with her various clients, her doctors, lawyers and others. Of course, saying that there will not be any more client mandates that she would be accepting quite effectively means that her companies would at some level or the other be winding down their various businesses, very important companies with the Tata Group, with the Reliance Industries led by Mukesh Ambani, his group, them also coming out and commenting, Ratan Tata himself commenting, saying that she has often played a very important role in terms of actually building various Tata brands over the past 10 years or so, often putting her own personal commitments behind and placing her professional interests first. The Reliance Industries statement too saying something on similar lines, but quite clearly, as far as Neera Radia goes, she has been under the public glare, as just mentioned, with the revelations of Radia tapes, with her conversations with several of the 2G accused. Also, of course, the fact that she has been investigated by the Enforcement Directorate in a prevention of money laundering case as recently as April this year, where she did visit the ED headquarters. So quite clearly a lot of pressure that has been put on Neera Radia in terms of the authorities, and also questions being raised about whether her links with various politicians and others were above board. A lot of number of questions that have been raised, although the health and personal family reasons are said to be the official reason. Somewhere down the other questions will also be asked about whether it was all of this pressure that was also weighing down on Neera Radia.